you unlawfully caused the death of Keisha Agenroth or Tim. And what this offense means is that you intentionally killed or caused the death of this person called Keisha Agenroth or Tim. Mr. Okello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I've heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord, I have understood the charge.
And how do you plead? How do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
Okello Christopher, omutemu eyatta abaana abato bana. Olunaku lwa leero kkooti yatudde, public court, nga kyemmanyi kuffe, nze it's the first time seeing something like this. Avulyo n'agamba eggwanga nti he's not guilty, nti teyatta abaana bano. As this court was going on, mbadde ndaba ebintu ebyenjawulo. Number one, body language. Ekyokubiri, engeri omwami ono gy'ayogeramu. Ekyokusatu, ono omwami amanyi enjawulo wakati w'ekintu ekibi n'ekintu ekirungi. Kyova olaba nti tapleadinze guilty. Cause munda muli akimanyi nti when pleading guilty bajja kunsiba. So he knows the difference between wrong and right. Abantu bangi wedda bajja batugamba nti ayina ekikyamu ku mutwe, and I agree based on the body language. Waliwo ekitagatta kw'ono omwami, naye omuntu okuba nga ayina a certain mental health illness tekitegeeza nti they can't differentiate wrong and right. In this scenario, ono omwami, he knows what's wrong, he knows what's right. Avule n'agamba nti satta abaana bano nga emisango bagisoma mpola mpola for him to understand. Nayimira mu maaso g'omulamuzi n'eggwanga lyonna nga liraba n'atugamba I'm not guilty. Ne basoma ogusooka, ogwokubiri, ogwokusatu, ogwokuna, gyonna ng'agamba saagiza. Mu vidiyo ya leero tugenda kukuba tooki mu briefly public court eno, tulabe what happened, tulabe body language y'ono omwami, tulabe speech ye, tulabe what could be going on, bye tulabyemu nga court negenda mu maaso. Katandike video.
So, Mr. Okello, I am supposed to read to you the charges that have been brought before against you, but I want to first tell you that you are entitled to legal representation as a right that is provided by the Constitution, and 2 lawyers have been assigned to represent you. I want you to confirm to this court whether you have met them or they have met you.
Yes, I will confirm to the court that I have met and I'm appointed with the lawyers.
Of course, mateeka g'eggwanga omuntu yenna whether okoze musango kiba musango ki, as long as oli mu kooti, government ekuwa balooya. So mu kaseera kana zine balooyers be bali mu kooti, omusango genda maaso. There's nothing wrong with that. Eggwanga lino okuwa balooya as long as oze mu kooti. Of course, waliwo bannayuganda badde bagamba nti lwaki bamuwa balooya biki. It's his right. It's his legal right as a citizen of the country. Amateeka gatugamba nti ajja kufuna balooya bamurepresenting. Yesu ojja kugamba lwaki balooya bazze ne bamuwolereza biki. No, they are doing their job. They are doing their job. They have to defend. Mu kaseera kano afuuse client waabwe. So omulimu gwabwe mu kaseera kano kumenga sure nti client waabwe either omusanga gwangula oba ng'afuna sentence eri favorable. So nkimanyi kinyiiza. It's annoying okulaba nti omutemu eggwanga limuwadde balooya bamu defending, but that's the law and that's the constitution.
Could you please speak a little louder?
Yes, my lord. I will confirm that I'm acquainted with my lawyers, my legal representation.
Okay. I also need to tell you that under the Constitution, you are presumed innocent until you either plead guilty yourself or the prosecution proves you guilty. So I want you to know that you have that right.
Yes, my lord. I know now that I have that right, yes.
Okay. So, having told you of those rights, I will also advise you that after you have, I have read the charges to you, if you feel like you want to sit down, we can provide a chair for you and you proceed while seated. Okay?
Yes, okay.
And in the event that you want to say anything, you can speak through your lawyers, or you can raise your hand and speak directly to the court.
Yes, okay, my lord.
Okay. So I now want you to listen very carefully the charges that have been brought against you. You are charged in four counts, and the first count is a charge of murder. It is contrary to section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you, Christopher Okello Onyum, are those your names?
Yes, my lord, those are my names.
Okay. That on the 2nd day of April 2026, at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Eteku Gideon. What this offense means is that you, with intention, you unlawfully caused the death of this person called Eteku Gideon. So have you heard that charge?
Yes, my lord, I have heard the charge.
You've heard the charge. Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord.
You've understood it?
Yes, I did. I understood it.
So bamubuuza omusango bagumusomera mu bigambo bye n'atugamba nti ngutegedde waliwo n'agambidde nti amanyi enjawulo wakati w'ekintu ekibi n'ekirungi. Why is this significant? If this man can make a difference between good and bad, omusango gumusinga, he should be subjected to the worst oba the most extreme punishment. Wano wenkugambira, as I've said in multiple videos, wako executing. Wegumusinga because he knows the difference between right and wrong. Isigeza ategera bulungi. His composement is. His mind works very well. Omuntu ayina ekikyamu ku mutwe oyinza okulemererwa okukola enjawulo wakati w'ekibi n'ekirungi. Ne tugamba nti owaayi zaavaako naye ono akimanyi. He knows very well, and that's why he pleaded not guilty on all the 4 charges. So Wegumusinga, the only thing we ask for is the maximum penalty, the maximum harshest, worst punishment. In this case, execution. In this case, kujibwawo, kalabba. Of course, I know mugwanga kizibu, it's difficult, but we need to compromise and set examples. Ono omwami, he lacks remorse. Omulaba tebimukwatako, he's just there. Oh my Lord, I'm guilty. Imagine, like, you've taken a life. Mukasera kano, you're in front of a judge, Ugandans on national TV, telling lies. Of course, ojja kungamba nti it's a criminal offense. He's innocent until proven guilty. I understand. But he lacks remorse. Talaba nti yakola kibi. He cannot realize that what he did is so bad. Alimukwestinga resources z'eggwanga, resources z'aba taxpayers by pleading not guilty. It's so annoying. Kinyiza. Naye amateeka bwe gati wegakola, so they have to follow process. So inzo gamba singa ekyatuukawo eggaba kyatuukawo. If you know, you know. Because amateeka gena muwanvuja before we know it nga batugamba bamuwadde emyaka 45. Bamusiba emyaka 5. Because I know they will convict him. Bajja kumusiba. Gujja kumusinga. Naye the main question is this. What sort of punishment does this idiot deserve? Does this murderer killer deserves? Okujjawo abaana abato bana, 4 innocent babies who had not done anything to him. But because of his psychopathic serial killer ways, he comes afune urge, afune adrenaline yeyo atukira ku baana baffe abatta. Mu kaseera kano ali ku national TV in front of a judge, Ugandans telling lies. He deserves the worst, harshest punishment, and that's execution.
Is it true?
Do you mean, my lord, to ask me for the plea?
Sorry? You want to speak to
Bengolo, officer mkube mwengolo huyu.
your lawyers?
Yes, just 1 minute, please.
Okubeera lawyer si mulimu mwangu nnyo. Imagine nga olina okurepresentinga ekintu ng'ekyo. Wagenda mu ssomero n'osoma, but because of how the system is designed, olina okujja you represent someone gw'omanyi nti yazza omusango. Of course, siri kublaming aba lawyers. I'm just putting myself in their shoes. It must be so difficult. Because kyemmanyi bamutuuza wansi ne bamubuuza omusango agukola. And I'm sure he said, yabagamba mazima. Because toyinza kulimba lawyer. You don't lie to your lawyers. So, mu kaseera kano, imagine kye bayitamu. Because they know ono omugwagwa yatta abaana. Everyone knows. But they have to do their jobs because they are professionals. Mu kaseera kano kabayita mbu to consult. Mukakubemu empyawo.
Mr. Okello, is it true?
No, my lord. I plead otherwise.
We are in court. Could we please have some peace and calm? Is it true?
I plead not guilty, my lord.
You plead not guilty. Okay, I have entered a plea of not guilty on count 1.
Christopher Okello Onyum bamuvunaana emisango eryena okusooka gwa butemu nga kigambirwa nti Christopher Okello Onyum ng'ennaku z'omwezi 2 ogwokuna 2026 Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center mu Ggaba Trading Center Ggaba Parish Makindye Division mu Kampala District ng'alina ekigendererwa yatta ettiku Gideon. Bamubuuziza omusango n'agamba aguwulidde naye nga si kituufu.
Mr. Okello, we are going to the second count, and it is also a charge of murder. It is contrary to Section 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128.
Olaba nti abatuuze banyiivu kanteko mouse ono omwami buli omu ali mu busungu nga omugwagwa ali mu maaso g'omulamuzi alimba ensi. Saaguza. I was about to make a statement naye chano bajaji deletinga. Kanjesigalize.
On the 2nd day of April 2026 at Ggaba Early Childhood Development Center, Ggaba Trading Zone, Ggaba Parish, Makindye Division, Kampala District, with malice aforethought, you unlawfully caused the death of Keisha Agenworth or Tim. And what this offense means is that you intentionally killed or caused the death of this person called Keisha Agenworth or Tim. Mr. Okello, have you heard the charge?
Yes, my lord, I've heard the charge.
Have you understood it?
Yes, my lord, I have understood the charge.
And how do you plead? How do you plead?
I plead not guilty to this charge, my lord.
So the story continues. bamusomera emisango ogusooka agweganye, ogwokubiri agweganye, ogwokusatu, ogwokuna, gyonna ng'ajeegaana. He says he's not guilty. Kinyiza, but we have to respect the law. It is annoying. Sijja kulimba. Oyinza okugamba nti singa waliwo obusobozi abantu okutwalira amateeka mu ngalo, I'm so sure ne baafande bonna boolabaawo, they will choose to let you do it. But the law is the law. Etteeka ly'etteeka mu kaseera kano, it's him versus Uganda. Naye nga one thing I'm sure of, bajja musalira. But the only thing we ask for, kirusaba kiri kimu, punishment ebe extreme, ebe harsh, ebe nga ejja kumukomerera. Of course, tekigenda kuzza baana bano. The families will never be the same. Their lives will change forever. The innocent young babies will never come back. Omutemu. To be realistic, ajja kugenda Luzira or some other prison. People like me and you who pay taxes will look after him for 45 years, even more. Bayinza omusiba emyaka 65. We shall look after the murderer, the killer, the scum, the idiot. Hardworking citizens who pay taxes, who don't commit crime, will look after him. Nkugambira, we need to revise. Nkyogedde emirundi mingi. Nkimanyi some of my words might sound harsh, naye we need a revision of this law. If you kill someone, you live by the sword, you die by the sword, deserving a kalaba. Ono mwami has no, sijja gamba right cause ajina. Newe gumusinga. Because atulaze nti he can make a difference between good and bad. He came out now pleading and not guilty, knowing singa ngamba ndi guilty bajja kunsiba. So he knows, he understands what's good and bad. Muli akimanyi nti abaana nabatta mu kaseera ke yabattiramu kyatulaze wano yali akimanyi bulungi nti kyenkola kikyamu. So we gumusinga, the only thing we want is an extreme punishment. Njagala ompe endowooza yo mu comment section wansi awo ku events za leero. Number 1, public court, ogirowoozaako ki? Twagikozeeko video nakulweggulo. Ekyokubiri, ono omwami okuvaayo n'agamba nti I plead not guilty. Okirowoozaako ki? Okuvaayo n'amayira eggwanga obudde nga ba witness ab'enjawulo, they saw him do it. There are different witness accounts. Abantu baamulaba ng'ajjawo abaana. To one extent nti bagezaako okumuggyawo abatuuze b'e Ggaba. Mpe endowooza yo mu comment section wansi awo. Nja kulamu video eddako. Peace.